keeping up with our motto, let learning be a joy and teaching a pleasure. Here we are with a remote teaching and learning process to bridge the gap. Happy learning, students.
Hello student, welcome back to Thakur Vidya Mandir High School and Junior College online teaching module. We are back here with our chemistry first lesson solid state part 4. So in the continuation of the previous syllabus, now we are moving ahead with packing of particles in crystalline, coordination number, close packed structure in one dimension, two dimension, and again in two dimension we have AAA type, and in next one is ABAB type. Close packing structure in three dimension, that is with ABC. So these are the topics which we are going to cover in this particular class. So starting with packing of particles in crystal lattice. To understand this concept, first we need to understand a term called as coordination number. Coordination number is defined as the coordination number of constituent particle of the crystal lattice is the number of particles surrounding a single particle in the crystal lattice. That means in the crystal lattice having higher coordination number, the constituent particles are more tightly packed. Coordination number is also the measure of hardness. So if we check out the figure below, we can see that the center atom, that is which is being depicted in red color, is being surrounded from all the four sides, front, back, left and right, and from top and bottom. So it is connected with 6 atoms at a time. So coordination number for the red atom at this particular moment is 6. Moving on to close packing in solids. So first we'll be checking one dimensional close packing. In solid, the constituent particles are close packed, leaving minimum vacant space. So let us consider an example of one dimension. There is only one way of arranging the spheres in one dimensional close packed structure, that is to arrange them in a row, touching one another as shown in the figure. In this arrangement, each sphere is in contact with two of its neighbors. So thus, in one dimensional close packed arrangement, the coordination number of the sphere is of each particle is 2. Moving on to next, we have two dimensional close packing. Here, two dimensional close packed structures can be generated by stacking the rows of one dimensional close packed spheres. This can be done in two different ways. It can be either AA type or it can be either AB type. So let us see first the first type, that is AA type of arrangement. Here in the AA type of arrangement, the second row may be placed in contact with the first such that the spheres of the second row are exactly above those of the first, that is one below the other. Next, thus all the spheres of different rows are aligned horizontally as well as vertically. If the first row is called as A type, the second row being exactly at the same below each other will also be called as A type. So the planar two-dimensional arrangement, it will be called as AAA type as per the number of atoms. In this arrangement, each sphere is in contact with 4 of its neighbor. Thus, we can guess the coordination number of the sphere is 4. If the center of these 4 immediate neighbor spheres are joined, a square is formed. Hence, this packing is called as square close packing in 2 dimension, and it occupies 52.4% of the available space, that is excluding the space which is being left out without an atom, that is the 4 voids what is been present in the diagram. Moving on to the next ABAB type of arrangement or hexagonal close packing. So here the second row may be placed above the first one in staggered manner such that its sphere fits in the depressions of the first row. If the arrangement of the sphere in the first row is called as A type, then the second row will be called as B type, since it is not exactly one below the others. When the third row is placed adjacent to the second in staggered manner, its spheres are aligned with those in the first layer. Hence, this layer is also called as A type because it is exactly same as the A type. So the spheres of similarly placed fourth row will be aligned with those of the second row, that is again with the B type. So it becomes a pattern of A and B and A and B. Hence this arrangement is called as ABAB type. Each sphere is in contact with 6 of its neighbor, and therefore the coordination number here becomes 6. The center of these 6 spheres are at the corners of a regular hexagon. Hence, this packing is called as hexagonal close packing in 2 dimension, and it occupies the space of 60.4% of the available space. Hence, packing is more efficient than that in square close packing of 2 dimension. After 2 dimension, now we move on to the 3 dimensional packings. Here again we have 3 sets, that is AAAA type, ABAB type, ABC type. So now let's start with the first one, that is AAAA type. So here in this particular AA type, 3 dimensional packing is obtained by placing layers of A type one above the other as per in the 2 dimension structure. So all the spheres of the successive layers are placed exactly above the sphere of the lower layer. This results in perfect horizontal and vertical between the various layers. The unit cells have simple cubic structure as shown in the figure. This arrangement has more empty space. In this arrangement, the coordination number is 6. Each sphere is in contact with 4 sphere in the above layer. Okay. Moving ahead with the next category of 3-dimensional structure, that is ABAB type of crystal structure. So here 3-dimensional packing can be obtained by placing layers of ABAB type one over the other. The sphere of second layer are placed into depressions between the spheres of first layer. So the first layer is designated as A type and the second layer is designated as B type for convenience, even though both the layers are of ABAB type. So this arrangement of 2 layers is AB type as shown in the figure, and the top view is shown in figure B. In this arrangement, tetrahedral voids are formed by the 3 spheres in the first layer and 1 sphere in the second layer. This happens when the sphere of second layer covers the triangular open space of the first layer. Due to this, only half the number of triangles open space of the first layer are covered. So tetrahedral voids are also formed by 3 spheres in the second layer and 1 sphere in the first layer, and octahedral voids are formed by 3 spheres in the first layer and 3 spheres in the second layer. Thus, when 3 sphere of second layer covers the triangle open space of the first layer, due to this the remaining half the number of the triangle open space of the first layer are covered. So thus formation of a tetrahedral void involves 4 sphere and formation of octahedral void involves 6 spheres. A tetrahedron can be formed by connecting the center of 4 spheres involved in the formation of a tetrahedral void, and an octahedron can be formed by connecting the center of 6 spheres involved in the formation of an octahedral void. For n close packed spheres, the number of octahedral void is n and number of tetrahedral void is 2n. Third layer can be placed over the second layer in 2 ways. That is, the sphere of the third layer can be placed in a tetrahedron void, that is ABAB type, or the sphere of the third layer can be placed in octahedron void to form ABC type of structure. Now we'll see placing the sphere of the third layer into the tetrahedral void. ABAB type structure. So there is horizontal and vertical alignment between the sphere of the first layer and the third layer. Similarly, there is horizontal and vertical alignment between the sphere of second layer and fourth layer. This arrangement is called as hexagonal close packed structure as shown in the figure. Moving ahead with the placing of sphere of the third layer in octahedral void, or we can also call this as ABC type of 3-dimensional pattern. So here the sphere of the third layer can be placed into octahedral voids. The arrangement of the third layer is different from the first and second layer. Mind you, please note this. Hence, third layer is designated as C layer, and the structure is called as ABC type of structure. When fourth layer is placed, there is horizontal and vertical alignment between the spheres of first layer and fourth layer as shown in figure A. The arrangement is called as cubic close pack structure. It is same as face centered cubic structure. In both arrangement HCP and CCP, the coordination number is 12 as each sphere is in contact with 6 sphere and in its own layer. 3 sphere in the layer above, 3 sphere in the layer below. So it is not possible to increase the coordination number beyond 12. Hence hexagonal close packing and cubic close packing are equally efficient. Kindly refer the diagram given below of the cubic close packing structure to understand more the ABC type of arrangement in octahedral words. Student, here are the assignment question. Kindly go through it. Check out for the textbook on the link given below. Find out the answer and write in your notebook. Like this particular lecture, web links for other subject and other lectures are available on our college website and also on our YouTube channel. Till then, thank you. Stay home, stay safe.